Good morning, Cotton National High School. Welcome once again to our online library literacy program offered by the DOST STII Library. So this program is an online adaptation of our on-site library tour and orientation. And its purpose is to educate stakeholders such as kayo po on utilizing DOST STII services and resources, including of course the Online Public Access Catalog or OPAC for online material requests and various DOST Starbooks, such as offline, online, and mobile apps platforms. My name is Grace Ann Valondo, your moderator for today. I am a science research specialist too at the DOST STII Library. So we extend a special welcome po once again to Cotton National High School who are joining us for the third time. And we are also delighted to be joined by representatives from the DOST STII Library. We have Ma'am Linderlet Maglake, our head librarian, and Miss Irene Brillo, Science Research Specialist too, and the unit head of the Reader Services. And from the Cotton National High School, we have Miss Junette Andrea M. Lavarro, the school head. Nandyan po ba kayo, ma'am? We also have Ma'am Charlene P. Peñaflor, the science coordinator. Miss Maribel B. Millares, the LR coordinator. And lastly, Sir Christian Genesis Arginto, the science teacher. So before we proceed to our program, may I please call on the school head of the Cata National High School, Ma'am Jeanette Andrea M. Lavarro, to give an opening remarks.
Good morning po, DOSCSCII. On behalf po of our Mama Jeanette Alian Lavarra, of our school head, kasi po siya po ngayon ay currently attending an equally important matter po regarding po the end of our school year. Nirequest po siya ng mayor na dapat po ay nandun. So, on behalf po of Ma'am Jeanette Alian Lavarro, welcome po namin kayo again online sa aming pong paaralan sa Cota National High School. At overwhelmed po kami kasi po for the third time po at USDSCII ay nariyan po lagi sa likod namin sa Cota National High School para i-support po yung mga needs namin po in regards po sa online library literacy program as well as different program po ng DOSDSCII. So kami po ay talagang taus-pusong nagpapasalamat kasi po you are po one email away. Ano po? So lagi po kayong nariyan, nagre-reply, at sumusuporta po sa Cota National High School. Muli po, magandang araw and thank you so much po. Salamat.
Thank you so much po. We're always at your service po. By the way, ma'am, we didn't get your name po. Sir Christian, sino po kaya si ma'am para we can recognize her properly?
Po, may aking science department coordinator.
Okay po. Okay, thank you so much po, Ma'am Shirley Peñaflor, for representing Ma'am Jeanette Lavarro. And thank you so much for the kind words. Now, our program po is consists of two parts. Next slide. The part one is getting to know the DOST STII, its services, resources, and products. And for the part two, researching in DOST STII Library, navigating the online public access catalog, and requesting library materials. Okay, before we begin, let me briefly outline a few housekeeping rules to ensure a smooth session po. Our house rule number one, this webinar will be recorded for documentation purposes. House rule number two, please use the Q&A chat box for questions. So sa ating pong mga students, meron tayong dedicated question and answer session later in the program. And please feel free to type your questions or you can just go to Sir Christian doon sa mic and we will collect and address all your questions. So should there be any questions that are unanswered, please do not hesitate to email them to us at library@stii.dost.gov.ph. And lastly, house rule number 4, an evaluation will be provided in exchange of the e-certificate of attendance. Please note that the certificate of attendance will only be issued to those who complete the evaluation form. A link to the form will be shared in the chat box at the end of the program, and we encourage everyone to fill it out to help us improve future sessions. So ready na ba kayo mga aming students from Cotton National High School? Okay, so get ready for some fun and fruitful discussion. Next slide. So our presenters for this session, for the part one, is Ma'am Linderlet M. Maglake, our Supervising Science Research Specialist and the Head Librarian. And for part two, Ms. Irene A. Briolio, a Science Research Specialist too, and Unit Head of the Reader's Services. So who is DOST, or the Department of Science and Technology? Here's a brief overview. Established as the National Science Development Board on June 13, 1958 through Republic Act 2067, the agency underwent a transformation in 1982, becoming the National Science and Technology Authority, or NSTA, via Executive Order 784 dated March 17, 1982. And finally, on January 30, 1987, through Executive Order 128, the agency was renamed the Department of Science and Technology, a name it proudly holds today. And our department secretary is no other than Dr. Renato U. Solidum Jr. So he assumed the position in 2022 up to present. Now let me introduce the 18 attached agencies of the OSD. Tama pong narinig ninyo, meron tayong 18 attached agencies under the DOSD. So on the left portion of your screen, we have the sectoral planning councils. Kung pwede po natin palakihan, Sir Mike. Okay, thank you, Sir Mike. So on the left portion of the screen, we have the sectoral planning councils. So these councils fund and monitor research and development, or the R&D projects that later make an impact on national priorities, addressing pressing concerns in transportation, agriculture, fisheries, energy, and health. So we have 3 councils under this sectoral planning. Okay, number 1, we have the PICARD, or the Philippine Council for Agriculture, Aquatic and Natural Resources Research and Development. So they are responsible for funding R&D projects in the agriculture, aquatic, and natural resources sectors. Next, we have the PCHRD, or the Philippine Council for Health, Research and Development. So they fund R&D projects in the health and medical industry. And next, we have the PSHIRD, or the Philippine Council for Industry, Energy and Emerging Technology, Research and Development. So they support R&D projects in the industry, energy, and emerging technology sectors. So below is the S&T services, and it has 6 agencies under this. We have number 1, the PAG-ASA, or the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Services Administration. So they provide weather forecasts, tropical cyclone warnings, and flood forecasting information. Next, we have the PHIVOLCS, or the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology. So they monitor the volcano, earthquake, and tsunami activities and issues necessary warnings, while also providing detailed information on this natural phenomena. Next, we have the PSHSS, or mas kilala siya sa PSAI. Sila yung Philippine Science High School System, so they offer scholarships and science and technology-focused secondary education to students, preparing them for careers in science and technology. Next, we have the SEI, or the Science Education Institute, where they provide scholarship grant to undergraduate or college students and our graduate students, those who are master's and doctoral degrees, to further pursuing science and technology education. And next, we have the STII, that's us, or the Science and Technology Information Institute. Our agency is responsible for establishing a comprehensive science and technology data bank and library with a wide variety of learning resources. And lastly, from this group, we have the TAPI, or the Technology Application and Promotion Institute. So they promote the commercialization of technologies and markets the services of other DOST agencies while also assisting in securing intellectual property protection. For example, these are the patents, utility models, industrial designs, copyrights, and trademarks. Next, we have the collegial and scientific bodies. We only have two under this group. We have first the NAST, or the National Academy of Science and Technology. They primarily gives recognition to outstanding Filipino scientists and advises our policymakers on science and technology on matters as the DOST's advisory arm. And next, we have the NRCP, or the National Research Council of the Philippines. They promote basic research to enhance the capabilities of researchers, scientists, engineers, and artists, serving as an advisory body to the government with over 6,000 plus experts across various fields. And last one, we have the R&D institutes. There are seven. First, the ASTI, or the Advanced Science and Technology Institute. So they undertake R&D activities with a focus on strengthening and modernizing information and communications technology and microelectronics while also delivering technology solutions. Next one, we have the FNRI, or the Food and Nutrition Research Institute. So it is the government's research arm in food and nutrition, which defines the nutritional status of the citizenry, especially concerning malnutrition, and undertakes R&D projects to address it. Next, we have the FPRDI, or the Forest Products Research and Development Institute, where they conduct research and development on wood and non wood forest products to improve their utility, quality, serviceability, and economic value. Next, we have the ITDI, or the Industrial Technology Development Institute. They conduct um, they provide technical services along with the technology transfer and commercialization initiatives to modernize the production sector and boost industry productivity. And they also offer testing, storage, and laboratory facilities. Next, we have the MIRDC. So they support the metals and engineering industry with services designed to enhance its competitive advantage. These services are testing and analysis, industrial training, facility sharing, and generates new technologies through basic and applied R&D, along with the disseminating these technologies via consultancy and training. Next, we have the PNRI, or the Philippine Nuclear Research Institute. So they conduct research and development in the peaceful applications of nuclear energy, institutes regulations, and enforces safety measures protecting radiation workers and the public. And lastly, we have the PTRI, or the Philippine Textile Research Institute. They focuses on applied R&D specifically for the textile industry. And aside from these 18 attached agencies, we also have 16 regional offices and 80 provincial science and technology centers strategically assigned across the regions. So we hope that this information has provided you with a clear understanding of the roles of each agency. And furthermore, we expect that you are now familiar with their functions as attached agencies of the DOST. All right, so I think we're ready to give you the first discussion for this orientation. I'm now pleased to introduce Ms. Linderlet Amaglake, our head librarian of the DOST STII Library, and she will be presenting the part one of our program. So please join me in giving her a warm virtual welcome. Linder.
Hi! I hope you are all doing well. I am Linderlit M. Maglake. I am the head librarian of DUST Science and Technology Information Institute, and I am here today to share what are the different services, resources, and products of DUST STAI. So, let's start. Let's get to know DUST, Science and Technology Information Institute. So we are the information and the marketing arm of the Department of Science and Technology. And we have three mandates. We are mandated to establish a science and technology library. So that's DUST STI library. Second mandate is to disseminate science and technology information. So we do disseminate S&T information in all formats and in all platform. Ayan, so we have our own publications. We also promote using our social media accounts. We also have mobile apps and through our broadcasting programs. And third mandate is to undertake training on science and technology information. So we also conduct trainings on science journalism and also in different trainings on the field of S&T. So we provide S&T information services through our library. So ito po ang DUST STI Library. So we are located at DUST Complex, General Santos Avenue, Bicutan, Taguig City. We are inviting you all na sana makapunta kayo dito sa aming library. And we are open from Monday to Friday between 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. without noon break. Ayan, with no noon break. Open po kami kahit during lunch break. And also, here are the following contact details. In case na kayo po ay hindi makapunta dito dahil medyo malayo ang Bikutan, ayan, we are encouraging you to please contact us. Pwede kayong mag-request ng material sa amin online without coming here sa Bikutan. So, paano ba yan? Mamaya, ituturo ko sa inyo. So, for now, so you can take a screenshot of this, yung aming mga contact details para hindi nyo makalimutan kung saan kami kukontakin. So, you can email us sa library at stai.dust.gov.ph. You can like and follow us sa aming Facebook page at STI Library. You can also follow us sa aming Instagram account at dust.stai.library and also follow us sa Twitter at STI_library. And kung gusto nyong mapanood yung mga nakonduct na namin na training, seminars, and hybrid sessions, you can subscribe sa aming YouTube channel sa DUST STI Library. And syempre, hindi magpapahuli po ang ating library. Meron na rin kaming TikTok account. So please like us, follow us at STI Library. And nabanggit ko kanina, pwede kayong mag-request ng material sa amin via email, di ba? So you can browse our collection at signet.dust.gov.ph. So these are the different sections of the library. So first is the general reference and foreign titles. So dito nyo makikita yung ating mga foreign collections of books and journals. We also have here the general references. We have encyclopedias, dictionaries, and almanacs. Next is the Star Books area where we exhibit the different versions of Star Books. We have Star Books offline, Star Books online, and mobile apps, mga mobile apps ng Starbucks. We have Starbucks Finder, Starbucks mobile app version, Starbucks quiz app, and the Wiz app. So mamaya iisa-isahin din natin yan. Next, we have the Filipiniana section where you can see the thesis and dissertations na ating mga DUST scholars. We also have here investigatory projects and mga DUST publications and books and journals na published in the Philippines. And inside the Filipiniana section, we also have here the interactive space where we have 10 computer units na libreng-libreng pwedeng gamitin na ating mga library clients. Meron din dito mga VR box and AR markers na located within the section. And we have here the digitization room. So kung dito namin ginagawa, kino-convert yung mga print materials into its digital format. So kung nakita nyo dito sa picture, we have here high-end book scanner na ginagamit namin para ma-convert yung mga print materials. So yung room na to, ito yung scanning room, and then we have the processing room. So for example, yung mga na-scan na materials, yan, kailangan niya mag-undergo ng processing kasi for example, may mga misaligned na pages, ayan, medyo i-rotate yan. Kung faded yung pagkaka-scan, syempre i-enhance yung print. For example, yellowish na yung paper. Yan, karamihan kasi ay mga earliest copy yung andito. So, i-convert yun. So, we make sure na yung ibibigay namin sa inyo, sa aming mga clients, ay clean copy na. Yan, para madali nyo nang mabasa. Next, we have the repair room. So, dito sa repair room, we have 5 equipments na ginagamit namin sa pag-repair ng materials. So, just sa trivia, madalas na nasisira sa isang libro o sa isang journal ay yung kanyang binding. So, usually, natatanggal yung kanyang, napupulit na yung kanyang cover, nagkakahiwa-hiwalay na yung pages. That's why we have the repair room. So, dito namin siya ginagawa. And next, we have the archives. Yung archives naman, this is where we store our archival materials, yung mga with permanent value. Dito nyo rin makikita yung ating mga earliest copy ng Philippine Journal of Science. Ayan. So yung first issue niya na 1906, yung 118 years na this year, dito nyo siya makikita. So we collect DUST publications, investigatory projects, thesis and dissertations of DUST scholars, reference materials on science, technology, and innovation, and yung mga books and serials. And we offer the following services. We offer library material requests for on-site sa mga walk-in. Nag-accept kami ng walk-in clients, and also online, pwede kayo mag-request via email. We also offer library tour and orientation. So kung magkakanda kayo ng inyong mga educational tour, we accept that. Ayan. And then we also offer online library literacy program, just like what we're having right now. This is the online version of our online tour, library tour and orientation. And we also offer library benchmarking for on-site. Pwede kayong pumunta dito para makita yung mga best practices namin in library management and digitization. And we can also do this online. Ayan, so via Zoom. We also offer library training and seminars. So nagkakandak ang library ng quarterly ng hybrid session. So hybrid na siya kasi meron na tayong you can come here kung gusto nyong on-site na mag-participate sa aming training. Meron kaming mini theater. You can also join us via online, via Zoom or Facebook Live. And kung meron naman kayong prior commitment during our session or our seminar, pwede nyo panoorin, i-replay nyo yung aming session sa aming YouTube channel. And lastly, we offer library internship. So nag-a-accept po kami ng mga LIS students na pwedeng naghahanap kung saan sila pwedeng mag-conduct na kanilang internship. For library material request, so open po ito sa lahat na interested individuals kayo. Pwede kayong mag-request sa amin ng material. So paano ba? You can just browse our library collection at DUST STII Libraries online public access catalog at signet.dust.gov.ph and email nyo lang yung material request nyo at library@stii.dust.gov.ph. So usually ginagawa nila, ini-screenshot na lang nila and then yun na yung attachment and ini-email nila sa amin. And then for library tour and orientation, yan, who may avail, available po ito sa lahat ng private, public schools, institutions in all levels. And napakadaling mag-avail. Mag-write lang kayo ng request letter addressed to the office of the director not less than 5 working days before the actual date of tour and email it at library@stii.dust.gov.ph. Yan. So just to share some of the photos during our library tour and orientation. And then we have the online version, katulad natin nitong ginagawa natin, the online library literacy program. So again, this is open to all private and public schools, institutions in all levels. And how to avail? Just send a request letter through email at library@stii.dust.gov.ph not less than 5 working days before the actual date of program. For library benchmarking, if you are looking for best practices in library management and digitization practices, so open po ito to all interested institution. And to avail, just write a request letter addressed to the office of the director not less than 5 working days before the actual date of visit and email it at library@stii.dust.gov.ph. Yan, just to share some of the photos during benchmarking activities. And for library trainings and seminars, the library conducts trainings and seminars on science and technology and library science topics. And these are all open to all interested individuals. So sa inyo, ayan, pwedeng-pwede kayong mag-join sa amin. So how to avail? Registrations and details are posted on the official social media accounts of DUST STI Library. So follow nyo lang kami sa aming mga social media accounts. Yan, to share some of the photos na nakandak na namin trainings and workshops. And lastly, the library internship program. So, who may avail? Lahat po ng universities, colleges, institutions offering LIS or Library and Information Science courses. To avail, just write a letter of intent addressed to the Office of the Director not less than 1 month before the start of the internship program and email it at library@stai.dust.gov.ph. Yan. So, some photos ng mga nakapag-intern na sa amin and immersion, nag-accept din kami ng mga immersion. Yan, immersion program. And let's go to Starbooks or the digital library in a box. Yan, digital library ng ating DUST. So, to know more, ayan. So, what is the, ano ba ang objective ng DUST Starbooks? So, DUST Starbooks objective, number 1, is to create interest in the field of science and technology, which may increase the number of Filipinos enrolling in science and technology courses. Next is to encourage great and curious minds to develop new ideas, inventions, and innovations. And last, to inspire one capacity for entrepreneurship and research. So, ang idea, we transform the library from analog to digital. And Starbooks is named as the Philippines' first S&T digital library in a box. By the way, ang meaning ng Starbooks is science and technology, academic and research-based, openly operated kiosk. You can also screenshot these contact details, ayan. And pwede nyo rin na i-save para in case na may kailangan kayo with the Starbooks team, madali nyo silang makontak. So these are the features of Starbooks, multiple access. So unlike sa physical book, which is 1:1, so kung isang libro, isa yung pwedeng gumamit, with Starbooks, through connecting to the local area network, ayan, pwede nang magkaroon ng multiple access. So offline, hindi mo kailangan ng internet connection to access the offline version ng Starbooks. Transportable, madali siyang ilipat, and pinakamahalaga, siya ay libre. So, free installation. Just to share some of the photos na literal na tinatawid ang ilog at inaakyat ang bundok just to deliver science and technology information to our communities. And ang Starbooks ay award-winning program. Starting 2015 up to present. Ano ba ang makikita nyo sa Starbooks? So what we have in Starbooks are the following contents. So we have Tamang Doskarte, livelihood videos. We have Science for Seaper Communities. We have the issues of men and women of science. Pinoy Science, ayan mga information in Pinoy Science, nuclear technologies, mga DUST technologies, today in Philippine Science, SNT News, past and current issues ng Philippine Journal of Science. We have math and science educational videos, mga investigatory projects, thesis and dissertations ng ating mga DUST scholars, SNT encyclopedias, K-12 materials, DUSTV programs, agriculture, information on agriculture, nutrition, energy, freedom of information, and also COVID-19. Ayan, so mag-sample tayo ng isang content. So, sample natin yung K-12 material. So, this is our content for K-12 material. So, meron tayong contents from grade 1, ayan, hanggang grade 10, hanggang senior high, and meron din materials or contents for collection, college general education, reviewer for PISA and TEAMS. Kung napansin nyo, hindi lang talaga siya for science. Kasi kung nakita nyo dito, ayan, meron ding mga contents for social studies, aralin panlipunan, arts, health, music, physical education, English grammar, and Filipino grammatica. So example, mag-open tayo ng isa. So this is a content for grade 9 science. Ayan, first quarter, Kung napansin nyo, meron na siyang lesson file and quiz file. So sa mga teachers natin dyan, pwede nyo magamit ang ating K-12 resources na nasa Starbooks. So this is a sample of the slides, lesson slide for grade 9 science, a sample of the quiz, and an example of an activity. Yan, di ba kumpletong-kumpleto na siya. Merong lesson file, meron siyang quiz file, merong activity. So, for on-site users, sabi ko kanina, ang offline version, this is free installation for the schools, public libraries, livelihood center, barangay learning center. So, kung wala pang Starbucks sa inyo, magpa-install na kayo. So, paano ba? Just email a request letter addressed to our director. So, isend nyo lang dito sa starbooks@stii.dust.gov.ph. You can also email sa dust.starbooks@gmail.com. Yan. For online version naman, habang naghihintay kayo ng installation ng offline version ng Starbucks, you can use the online version. So, paano naman to? So, gawin nyo lang, punta lang kayo sa starbooks.ph, create kayo ng account. So, after nyo makapag-create na account, log in kayo, and you will have free access to Starbucks content through the Starbucks online portal. Yan, di ba? Dali lang rin. So we also disseminate S&T information through publications. Nabanggit ko kanina, we have our own publications. At lahat na to ay libre, pwede nyo ma-download sa aming website at stii.dust.gov.ph. So isa-isahin natin yung mga publications. We have the Philippine Journal of Science, which is the oldest scientific peer-reviewed journal in the Philippines. So first issue niya was published in 1906. And this is a quarterly publication published by and ito ang makikita nyo inside Philippine Journal of Science. So we have here research outputs on natural sciences, engineering, mathematics, and social sciences. So kung naghahanap kayo mga related lead about the following topics, pwede nyong gamitin ang Philippine Journal of Science. We also have the S&T Post, which is a quarterly publications of DUST. Ayan, DUST STII. Kung naghahanap kayo ng mga news, updated news on science and technology, pwede nyo gamitin as reference ang S&T Post. For DUST Digest, this is a monthly publications of DUST. So newsletter natin siya in English language. So it provides condensed, easy to read science and technology news stories which caters to students and professionals on the go. It contains the most recent technologies and happenings in the local S&T community with compelling photos and images on a full-color 4-page newsletter. Kung naghahanap naman kayo ng Tagalog, ayan, we also have the Balitang Rapidos. So again, this is a monthly publication of DUST written in the Filipino language. And we have the Starbucks Insider, a biannual newsletter publication of DUST STII. Kung gusto nyong malaman ano ba ang latest news about Starbucks, which is the digital science library in a box, ayan, download nyo na ang Starbucks Insider. And then, if you are curious kung ano bang mga contributions na ating mga experts and scientists in the field of S&T, you can use SPEARS or the Specialized Philippine Enterprise Reference of Experts and Scientists. So originally published to as the Philippine Men of Science in 1964. And to adopt a gender-sensitive title, the publications was renamed as the Philippine Men and Women of Science in 2013. So anong makikita nyo inside SPEARS? So these publications provide biobibliographic information of Filipino scientists and experts, which serves as a specialized reference for the public. And then we have the Philippine Science and Technology Abstracts or PSTA. Kung naghahanap kayo ng source book reference, kung ano ba yung mga abstracts of local S&T published researches in the Philippines, ayan, mga local S&T published researches, you can use PSTA. So this is a semi-annual publication of DUST STII. So, lahat ng DUST STII publications are all free for full text download sa aming website at stii.dust.gov.ph. Ayan. Click nyo lang yung products and projects And then under doon, merong SNT publications. Pagka-click nyo nun, identify nyo lang kung anong publication yung gusto nyong i-download. Ayan. And also, sa ating pong mga librarian and mga teacher, kung gusto nyo pong mapasama sa aming mailing list, you can subscribe to the mailing list. Just go to tinyurl.com/DUST newsletters para every time po na may new copy, may new publication tayo, mapapadalan po kayo. And then we also promote SNT information through mobile app. So lahat po na to ay free for download at Google Play Store. Just type DUST STII. So isa-isahin din natin yan. If you are always on the go and gusto nyong makita ang mga past and current issues ng Philippine Journal of Science, just download PJS mobile app. If you want to watch mga programs ng DUSTV, you can download DUSTV mobile app. And for news on science and technology, you can download science.ph mobile app. For the projects, mga latest projects, events, news on DUST, you can download DUST Philippines app. We challenge you to take the quiz. You can download Starbooks quiz app. So meron ditong 10 questions and every question meron trivia na lalabas regarding that specific question. And we also have the Starbooks mobile app. Kanina nabanggit ko yung offline version and then yung online version. Ito naman yung mobile app version ng Starbooks. Yan. And kung gusto nyong malocate where is the nearest Starbooks kiosk in your area, you can download Starbooks Finder. And we challenge you also to take the Wiz app. Kung gusto nyo i-challenge yung inyong mga kabarkada, mga ka-classmate, you can download Starbooks Wiz. And for self-guided tour inside the UST STII library, you can download Star Library app or the Science and Technology Augmented Reality Library app. So paano ba tong Star Library app? To know more about this, let's all watch this short video.
We need to look for SNT materials for our research paper.
And it's our first time here at the DOST STII library.
That's okay. You can easily navigate the DOST STII library through the DOST STII Star Library app or the Science and Technology Augmented Reality Library app.
Really? That sounds cool. Can you tell us more about it? It is an augmented reality app, a fun and interactive way to help you navigate the DOST STII library.
There are markers within the library embedded with augmented reality. So when a smartphone installed with the Star Library app is used, there will either be a text, an audio, or video pop out telling you about that part of the library. This app will help and guide the user while inside the library.
Wow, the app definitely sounds useful and fun. But is it easy to use?
Of course, the app's interface is user-friendly and attractive. Thanks to Smarty the mascot.
What's more fun is that it has a gaming feature that encourages users to visit the DOST STII library and read more books. That feature is perfect for us.
Indeed, the Star Library app features an interactive tour within the library.
The app will be very helpful for first-time DOST STII library users like me because it will lessen navigation time of locating a specific area of the library.
I do agree, as it will also cater to the growing number of on-site DOST STII library visitors.
Now this will definitely help us save time in finding SNT materials for our research paper. We can finish and submit our paper earlier.
Oh, by the way, where can I download the app?
You can download the Star Library app at the Google Play Store for free.
For free? Wow, thanks for recommending this app. Now let's use it to navigate where the Filipiniana unit first, then proceed to the General Reference and Foreign Titles unit. So, how did you find the Star Library? Oh, it was very helpful and we easily found the S&T materials that we needed. That's great. With the Star Library app, we aim to make your library visit the most enjoyable, engaging experience.
Download the Star Library app now and visit us here at DOST STII Library.
Tour the library and visit all the markers, then answer the trivia that will pop out and get a chance to win DOST STII Library tokens.
Like, follow, or contact us through our social media pages, email, or phone numbers as seen on your screen.
Ayan, so yun ang Star Library app. So again, all of our mobile apps are all free for download at Google Play Store. Just type DUST STII at the search bar. And pagka-type niyo dyan, lalabas lahat ng mga mobile apps ng DUST STII. And then we disseminate S&T information through our website. So isa-isahin din natin ang ating mga website. So we have PhilJournal sci.dust.gov.ph for Philippine Journal of Science website. For the programs ng DUSTV, we have dustv.ph. For science.ph, ayan, we have science.ph. Napakadaling maalala. And then for Spears, we have spears.dust.gov.ph. For the Starbooks, ayan, just go to portal.starbooks.ph. And lahat ng link na yan sa aming mga website ay makikita nyo sa aming website at stai.dust.gov.ph. We also disseminate S&T information through social media. So please like and follow us sa aming mga Facebook page, sa aming Instagram account, Twitter, and sa aming TikTok. Ayan. And also please subscribe sa aming YouTube channel. Ito yung mga YouTube channel namin. And we disseminate S&T information through broadcasting. So we are inviting you na i-visit po ang Facebook page ng DUST-PH and DUSTV Science for the People YouTube channel para sa mga programs ng DUSTV. So we have Expert Talk, we have DUST Report, Bantay Bulkan, Siyensikat, Pinoy Popular Science para sa lahat, and Balitang Rapidos. And yung last mandate namin, we undertake training on science and technology information. So we are inviting you to request a session with us. Ayan, yung Science Journal Ako. Or you can request a session para sa Science Journalism Training Workshop. Ayan, right up. Ayan. So to request a session with us, just email po ang Science Journal Ako team at sciencejournalako@gmail.com. Yan, sana makapag-request kayo ng session with us. And kung meron kayong mga tanong, ayan, na hindi masasagot mamaya sa Q&A, for example, nakalimutan nyo, ayan, so natapos yung session, meron pa rin kayong tanong regarding sa DUST. So we have DUST Infos or Bilis, impormasyong masaligan at mabilis. Isa itong online client service na sumasagot sa mga katanungan tungkol sa mga programa, proyekto, produkto at serbisyo ng DUST. To know more about DUST Infos or Bilis, let us all watch this short video.
Pangarap ko talaga magkaroon ng sarili kong negosyo. Kaso, bago matupad yon, kailangan ko muna ng makinarya at financial assistance.
Pangarap ko maging scientist balang araw. Kaso lang, alam kong gipit si Inay ngayon. Saan kaya mayroong scholarship? Kung mayroon lang sana mapagtatanungan kung saan pwedeng humingi ng tulong. Hanggang sa nasagot nga ang aking mga kahilingan.
Inihahandog ng Department of Science and Technology ang isang Unified Information Delivery System na DOST InfoServilis. Isa itong online client service na layong sagutin ang anumang katanungan nyo na may kinalaman sa mga gawain, proyekto at serbisyo ng DOST. Ang InfoSer Bilis ay para sa mga estudyante, scholarship grantees, professionals, mga mananaliksik, inventor, siyentipiko, negosyante, technology managers, at volunteers. Maaari ka magtanong tungkol sa mga scholarships, laboratorio, research grants, at call for proposals. Maaari magtungo sa aming official Facebook page para gamitin ang InfoSer Bilis. At i-click lamang ang message now at dadaling ka rito sa aming Facebook chat at pwede ka nang magtanong na may kinalaman sa DOST. Maaari ka rin magtungo at magtanong sa DOST Philippines Facebook page. Inulunsad ang DOST InfoSer Bilis dahil layunin nitong matulungan ka tulad ni Igan at Liz. Ang dali at ang bilis, di ba? Ano pang hinihintay mo? Magtanong na sa aming go-to communication platform, DOST InfoSer Bilis. I-like at i-follow ang aming official Facebook page para sa iba pang mga impormasyon. Maaari din kaming makontak sa email na makikita sa iyong screen. Para sa impormasyong masaligan at mabilis, DOST InfoSer Bilis.
Ayan. So, yun ang DUST InfoSer Bilis. So, thank you for listening. Again, kung may mga question kayo, pwede kayong magtanong sa DUST InfoSer Bilis. So, again, this is Linder Lit M. Maglake. So, Linder for short. So, let's stay connected. Contact us now. Hintayin po namin ang inyong mga requests. Thank you!
Alright, thank you very much, Ma'am Linder. Okay pa ba ang ating mga students from Cotton National High School? Can we see a hello wave? Pwede bang mag-hello wave ang ating mga Cotton National High School students? Okay pa ba kayo? There you go, gising na gising pa sila. Kaya naman, ituloy na natin ang ating next discussion. So we are pleased to welcome Ms. Irene Brillo, our Science Research Specialist 2 and Unit Head of the Reader Services. So let's give her a warm virtual welcome. Irene?
Ayan, thank you so much, Miss Grace. And good morning sa inyong lahat, Cotton National High School. Ayan, so at this point, I'll be showing you the actual navigation of our library online public access catalog and the other resource databases that we use. Ayan, so let me just share my screen. Okay. There you go. Ayan, nakikita niyo po ba yung screen ko?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sige. Baba natin to. Okay, ayan. So this is our library online public access catalog as mentioned a while back by Ms. Linder. Just go to signet.dost.gov.ph and then click niyo yung OPAC. So una, ito yung makikita ninyo and then click this one, online public access catalog. Tapos, we have here different filters. So, pwede kayong pumili dito. Ayan, sa drop-down. Okay, so, ang mga materials na meron tayo sa library or articles, these are research articles and news articles also. We have books, investigatory projects, non-prints, reprints, serials. These are magazines and journals. And then we have technical reports or project reports. We also have dissertations and thesis of our DOST scholars in vertical files. And then, you can choose which field you want. So, kung alam niyo kung ano yung exact title ng material na hinahanap niyo, you can click title or choose title. And kung meron kayong specific author in mind and gusto niyo i-check kung merong collection si STII, sa mga sinulat ng author na yon, you can click author or if you have a specific topic in mind or subject, you can click subject. And then sa mga librarians naman who are knowledgeable on call numbers, pwede naman pong call number din. For the information of our library in charge or librarians, we use the Library of Congress classification dito. Yan, and I believe na pag-aralan din ng ating mga students kung ano yung ating library classification system. So meron tayong Dewey Decimal Classification System and then Library of Congress Classification System. Naalala ko, nagtuturo ako ng ganyan noon when I was in a school library. So sa English ninyo, usually may ganon na discussion, no? The parts of the book and then the system that they use in the library and the different cards, no? Yan. And then, okay, dito naman po, you can find here the different DOST attached agencies na pinakita or in-explain or in-expound sa inyo kanina ni Ms. Grace. So we have here ARMM, ASTI, Caraga. So kasama po dito yung ating mga regional offices. Also, for your information, yung ating SciNet is a union catalog of the different DOST attached agencies. Ibig sabihin ng union catalog, nandito po yung mga collection ng mga iba't ibang ahensya ni DOST. So, dahil nasa STII po kami, ang hahanapin po natin ay mga resources na hawak ni STII. Okay. And then, meron ba kayong specific na subject in mind na gustong i-search? Yan. So, for example, okay, ano bang meron ngayon? So, our library, as mentioned also by Ma'am Linda a while back, is a special library. And ang collection natin ay nakafocus sa science, technology, and innovation. So wala tayong masyadong collection sa mga social sciences, no? Like history, ganon, or we do have some about Rizal as a scientist. So let's see kung ano yung makikita natin tungkol kay Rizal dito. Ayan, so we have here 32 results. So ganito lang po siya. Makikita niyo po kaagad dito. And then you can click quick view. Yung quick view, ayan, makikita niyo po yung ganitong detail. So the title, journal title kung article siya, and then location, author, call number, tsaka anong pages siya. So article ito kaya may pages. And then, kung gusto nyo pong makita yung mas maraming bibliographic detail, click full catalog. Yan. Tapos lalabas po ganyan. And then, katulad din nung nasa process kanina na binanggit sa inyo ni Ma'am Linder, you just copy the details. So, you can click copy. Yan. And then, pag nakopya nyo na, mag-send po kayo ng email sa amin at library@stii.dost.gov.ph and then i-paste nyo lang po doon yung details. So, sasabihin nyo lang po sa amin that you need to access this particular material and titingnan natin kung available ang digital copy and we will send back to you the digital copy via email din. So, that's how our online library service works pagdating sa material request naman. So, at least, hindi nyo na kailangang pumunta dito in person para mabasa or magkaroon kayo ng access doon sa gusto ninyong basahin na material, no? So, our online public access catalog is continuous in its improvement and magdadagdag pa po kami ng ibang feature dito, pero for now, ito lang po muna yung features natin. So, meron tayong FAQs also dito. And kung dito po, sa ating material request, yung mga books, pag halimbawa po books ang kailangan ninyo, like for example, this one book siya, ang gagawin po natin, hindi po namin maipapadala sa inyo yung buong libro for due to copyright restriction. But we will be using the fair use. Ibig sabihin, ipapadala po namin sa inyo yung table of contents ng libro and then we will ask you kung anong chapter ng book ang kailangan ninyo and yun lang po yung ibibigay namin sa inyo. Okay po? Yan. So, libre po yung serbisyo natin. Wala po kayong babayaran. Yan. Okay? So, ano po ba yung subjects nyo ngayon? Calculus. Ayan, may calculus na kayo sa senior high, no? Okay, ayan. Pag calculus naman, ayan, marami siya for 1.5 result. Ayan, ganun lang po siya kabilis, no? Ayan, okay. So, kapag naman po sa Science Investigatory Project, ayan, meron po ba kayong specific na topic sa Science Investigatory Project, Sir Christian? Let's try if we can find. Okay, so bioremediation. Okay. Let's try kung meron tayong material on bioremediation. Okay. Mukhang naghahanap siya. Ako, umiikot siya. Okay. So, habang naghahanap po siya, another database that you can use for your related literature is our database or subscription database, that's sciencedirect.com. So, antayin natin siya. Let's move to this database. Check din natin kung may bioremediation din doon. So, this one is another database sa sciencedirect.com. Ito po ay meron siyang mga open access content. Ibig sabihin po ng open access content, you can readily read the full text of the material. Pero kung may mga materials na hinahanap kayo, like for example, itong bioremediation, you just input dito yung topic or subject and then click search. And then makikita nyo po dito yung both the open access and restricted access. So, dahil po nakasubscribe po kami, ayan, makikita nyo po dito, ito po yung mga kaya naming ma-access on bioremediation. So, for example, gusto nyong magkaroon ng copy nito, ang gagawin po ninyo, just go to sciencedirect.com, copy yung material na to, the exact title of this one, or you can just screenshot this one. Tapos, isend nyo sa amin via email, sabihin nyo lang po na you need a copy or an access of this material. So, ang gagawin po namin din, ipapadala namin sa inyo yung digital copy ng material na to. So, this material is open access. Nakalagay po dito. Ibig sabihin, you can readily access this one kahit wala po kayong subscription. Yan. Except for this one, nakalagay po full text access. Ito naman po yung i-request po ninyo sa amin. Yan. Okay, so medyo marami-rami tayo pagdating sa bioremediation. So kung gusto nyo pong, kung kailangan nyo na po ito, ayan, pwedeng-pwede po kayong magpunta sa website ng sciencedirect.com and then copy the title of the material that you need. Tapos send nyo po sa, yes, ayan, po, Scopus and WAS index. Opo. Yan. So, pwedeng-pwede nyo pong gamitin sa Science Direct. And then, so no need po to create your account, no? Dito sa Science Direct. Ganun din po dito sa OPAC natin. So, medyo nahirapan yata si OPAC natin. Ang gawin na lang natin, all access. Ayan. So, ayan. So, bioremediation, meron siyang 97 results. Ayan. Yun. So, pwede nyo pong basahin to isa-isa and then kung gusto nyo tong makuha or magkaroon ng access, you can just click full catalog and then screenshot or copy the details and send it to us via email at library@stii.dost.gov.ph. Yan. Ito naman po yung binanggit ni Ma'am Linder kanina na Philippine Journal of Science. So may mga full text po ito. Ang ating Philippine Journal of Science din po ay Scopus and Index na siya. So pwede po kayong mag-search dito. Yan. So dito naman po, makikita nyo na po yung mga published articles ng ating mga experts. Yan. So for bioremediation, meron siyang 12 results. Ayan. Dito naman po, full text nyo na po siyang mababasa. So no need to request from us. You can just click this one and then you can have a copy or an access. Pag naman po, nangangailangan kayo ng experts, ayan, dito naman po kayo sa spheres.dost.gov.ph. And then makikita nyo na po dito yung mga biobibliographies ng ating mga experts, S&T experts. Ayan, so pwede po kayong mag-search dito and then lalabas po yung mga experts natin. Makikita nyo din po dito kung ano yung mga articles na na-publish na nila. Ayan. Okay. And then, ayan, si Starbucks naman po, ito po yung makikita nyo po sa loob ng Starbucks portal. So, meron tayong e-learning resources dito for grade 1 to 12. Yan, kapag kinlik po natin, ganito po yung labas niya. So, dito naman po sa K-12 na resources, hindi po, wait. Ayan. So, dito po sa K-12 na resources natin, katulad ng nabanggit ni Ma'am Linder, para ma-access nyo ito, just go to starbucks.ph portal, create an account, and then magkakaroon na po kayo ng access dito. And dito po sa K-12, hindi lang po sa science ang meron siya, kundi meron din siya sa other subjects like araling panlipunan, arts, health, music, PE, yon, English grammar, Filipino grammatica. Yan. So, pwede po na magkaroon din po gumawa ng access ang inyo pong library in charge. And then you can use this naman po sa inyo pong library kung wala pa po kayong Starbucks na offline. Yan. So, ito po, dito sa online naman, kahit sino po sa inyo pwedeng makakreate ng account. Pwede nyo pong magamit ito pang review pag nasa bahay po kayo, pwede po yon. Yan. Okay, so ito po yung mga marirecommend namin sa inyo and that's how you also navigate yung ating online public access catalog. If you have any questions, clarifications, feel free to type in your questions dito sa ating Q&A chat box or feel free to speak your mind later po. Maraming salamat. And back to you, Miss Grace.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Irene, for that comprehensive demo on how we can use our OPAC. So again po, to our students from Cotton National High School, if you need any references in support of your research subject, you may contact and avail our service, the online material request. Just visit the link signet.dost.gov.ph. You may screenshot, screen grab, or i-capture nyo yung nandoon sa monitor or laptop or kung ano man ang gamit ninyo and send that to our email address and we will respond to you agad-agad within the day. All right. So we have concluded all the presentation. We will proceed with the question and answer portion. So, Sir Christian, if meron po mga question yung mga bata, pwede pong lumapit sa inyo and doon na lang po natin live pag-usapan po. Meron po bang katanungan from our Cotton National High School students?
Okay, hello po. Am I audible and clear po?
Yes, sir. Okay naman po.
Okay, so kanina po, nagpupuli na rin ako for the question and answer portion. And may meron po ako nakuha ilang mga bata magtatanong raw po. Okay, so for question number 1, sino nga po yung batang yun? Ito, si Harry. What is your question, Harry?
Good morning po. Aside po kami digital copy, pwede po kaya kami makakuha ng hard copy po ng mga books po. Baka po anytime at anywhere po namin madadala ay makukulat lang po namin.
Sir Christian, I'm sorry, no. Can you please repeat po yung question, sir? Can we please repeat the question, sir?
Kailan po? Yes po, okay po.
Can we please repeat the question, sir?
Okay. So the question of Mr. Harry daw po, since meron po tayong mga soft copies, is it possible ba to let us have some hard copies din po for our library?
Okay po. Ma'am Linder, Ma'am Irene.
Hello po, good morning. Good morning, Sir Christian, and sa lahat po ng mga students ng Kota National High School. Ayan, so again, third time nyo na pong nag-request sa amin ng session and very thankful po kami na hindi po kayo nagsasawang mag-request sa amin. So, ang question po ay kung pwede pong mag-request ng hard copy po. Tama po ba? Ng hard copy?
Yes, ma'am.
Ng books, ayan. So, for the library po ba ito? Donation for the library? Tama po ba, Sir Christian?
Imbis namin ang collection din, since to be honest po, ang aming pong records for the library, yung iba pong books na medyo outdated, tulad
Sorry, sir, hindi po namin masyadong marinig yung inyo pong audio. Pero sir, kung ang nire-request nyo po ay for the library po, donation for the library, pwede po kayong mag-write, sir, ng letter po sa amin requesting for a donation. Yes, sir.
Thank you po.
Yun po. So, sir, i-address nyo na lang po yung inyong letter sa amin pong OIC po. Pwede po kayong mag-email po sa amin. Email ko po sa inyo, sir, kung kanino nyo i-address yung inyong letter.
Yes, thank you so much po.
Yes po. Pero yung kung ang question po nung inyong student ay kung siya po ay pwedeng mag-request po ng hard copy for personal use po, ang aming po mga materials ay for inside use lang po ng library. So kapag lang po andito sila sa physical library po ng STII. So kapag po lumabas na po sila, iiwan na rin po nila yung yung hard copy po ng material. So pwede po silang mag-request ng digital copy of the material. Yun po.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
So second question from our senior high school STEM student, our SSLG grade 12 representative, Iris.
So, meron po ba kayong caravan na bumibisita po sa iba't ibang school? May dala pong materials or mga gamit na pwede pong gamitin ng mga student?
Ay, caravan po. Tama po ba, caravan? Ay, pangarap po namin yan. Magkaroon po kami ng mobile library on the go, yung mga ganyan po, caravan. Sa ngayon po, wala pa po kaming mobile library. Pero pangarap nga po namin yan, magkaroon po kami ng caravan. Siguro po, yun nga po, nabanggit ko nga po, wala pa po kami mobile library. Pero in the future po siguro, possible po na magkaroon kami. Pero kung magre-request po kayo ng exhibit, mga ganyan, ang Starbooks team po, nagkakandak po ng, nag-exhibit po ang Starbooks team. So, you can contact po ang Starbooks team to conduct exhibit sa inyong pong school. So, pwede rin po namin ibigay sa inyo yung contact details ng Starbooks team.
Sige. Next school year po kami i-avail yan. Okay?
Ay, sige po. Opo, mag-avail po kayo ng Starbooks. Libre naman po iyon.
Pangatlong taon na rin po namin planning.
Opo.
Okay, for the third question, yes, thank you from our grade 10 learner. Okay, dito po tayo sa gitna para kita ni Ma'am Linder at ni Ma'am Bernice.
Is there any chance po kaya na bumisita po kayo dito sa Quezon? Mag-straightforward po ako. Gawa ng isa po yung school namin sa gusto pong makakalab po din ng POS. Thank you po.
Sorry. Sorry, paulit po ng tanong. Sensya
Okay,
na.
ang tanong po ay, if possible po ba makapag-visit daw po kayo direkta dito po sa Conta National High School since we want to enrich po ang aming STEM education. Kasi po start lang po namin this school year. So perhaps with your presence and technical expertise, pwede po mas ma-enrich namin ang aming curriculum and aming delivery of teaching.
Yes po. Oo naman po. Pwede po kayo mag-send ng request po sa amin. Kung may event po kayo sa school, invite nyo po kami na makapunta po kami personally sa inyong school po. So, vice versa din naman po. Pwede rin po kayong mag-visit naman po kayo dito sa aming compound dito po sa DOST. So, ano lang naman po yan, write lang po kayo ng request letter sa amin.
Ayan, to add po, alam ko Sir Christian may sineselebrate po kayo na Math and Science Month. So, kung gusto niyo din po, we can collaborate po doon sa kung ano po yung activity niyo po doon. And then, yun, pwede tayong mag-collaborate kung ano po yung pwedeng gawin. Yan.
Yan po kasi ang aming tema ngayon, collaboration para success ng school, di ba? Sige po, another question? May question pa? Okay, sino po may question? Clarification? Meron ba? Okay, so ako may question. Okay, ako po may question, ma'am.
Go ahead, sir. Yes, sir.
Teka lang po, talaga po nakabata kasi ang deadline.
Okay.
Okay, so ang question ko po, since this school year po, binubuhay din po namin kasi ulit, binabalik po namin yung culture of SIP or the Science Investigatory Projects. So, as a break-in teacher, I have observed po na there are some gaps, lalo na sa kakayahan ng bata pagdating sa SIP. And it's quite challenging for us para po pagkasyahin sa isang buong taon, sa ibang school year. So pwede po kaya kami makata ng mga scientists, for example, or research specialists para po ba matulungan or somehow makapag-provide ng writing or training workshop para po sa mga bata as well as para rin po sa aming mga teachers.
Writing workshop po. Kung pwede po tayo mag-conduct ng writing workshop for the students and teachers. May na-conduct tayo na, right Irene, no? Meron tayong isang session na na-conduct during our Library and Information Services Month. Sir, if possible, kailan nyo sir target or meron ba sir kayong activity this year na tina-target nyo sir na makapag-conduct ng ganyang activity?
Yes po, sorry po talaga. Ano pa, kamagin pa.
Hello, sir?
Hello po, kamagin pa. Medyo na choppy pong internet namin sa porta.
Meron ba sir kayong target na date or activity wherein gusto nyo mag-conduct ng ganyang session for your students or teacher?
Isa pa yung unahan namin sa September. Para po at least mga second quarter po.
Second quarter, Sir Christian?
Tama ba sir?
Yes, yes.
September?
Sir, nawawala po yata yung audio ninyo.
Siguro, sir, what we can do to help you, we can send you contact details po
Ako naghahang yung aming po.
ng mga agency po ng NRCP or ng hello, sir? And we also have these peers. Yun po, andun dito yung mga contact details ng ating mga scientists and SEI. Yan. Para po ma-invite nyo sila na mag-conduct po ng short talk para sa inyong mga students and teachers. Yun, sir.
Tapos po, ang last question po, from me din po, at para po sa aming research coordinator. Kasi kami pong mga science teachers dito, as well as the other teachers po of other departments, we are trying to enrich din po the research culture of our school. So for example po, kami po mga science teachers, nagkakandak po kami ng action research, and some of us po ay nakapag-present na rin po sa national, sa PNU, and even sa international level. So perhaps po pwede rin po kami maka-request po ng tulong or assistance rin nga po pagdating naman po sa pagsusulat, lalo na for journal publications.
And maybe Grace, you can share yung practice sa NRCP regarding sa funding.
Hi, Ma'am Linder. Hello po, Sir Christian. I worked with NRCP before. Meron po silang mga proposal write shop na kinoconduct sa kanila pong mga members. Member po ba kayo ng NRCP, sir? Ng National Research Council of the Philippines, sir? I'm sorry, sir?
Hindi na di po ba sa DepEd so far? Kasi wala po kami nababalitaan.
Pwede naman po kasi magpa-member ang mga teacher. In fact po, meron ang NRCP na member ng mga teacher. I-visit nyo po ang kanilang website, sir. Tapos po, pwede po kayong mag-inquire and then they will ask you to be a member ng NRCP. Tapos meron po silang 13 scientific division. So, i-assess po or kayo rin po mismo kung saan po kayo belong doon sa 13 scientific divisions, doon po kayo ipapasok and then pwede na pong maka-join kayo doon sa mga proposal write shop na kinoconduct po ng NRCP. By the way, sir, yung NRCP po is another attached agency po ng DOST.
Thank you po. So talaga po napaka-fruitful po ng ating umagang ito. Kasi po ay talagang pinagpilitan po namin makandak po itong DOST ONLP kasi for 3 years na po namin po straight na program and in fact, nasa action plan na rin po namin ito and dati po namin ito pinagmamalaki sa aming education program supervisor sa aming schools division office. Ano po? So, how about you guys? May questions pa po? Clarifications? Oo. So, if ever gusto nyo man po pumunta sa library, papunta na po kami dyan last time for the Memorandum of Understanding. Pagpapero ka naman. Ano po, maganda dyan guys. Oo, malamig din. Lalo na sa kanyang archives. Okay, so kung wala na pong question, wala na po talaga. Okay, wala na lang pong questions, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much po. Thank you, Ma'am Linder, Ma'am Irene, Sir Christian, at sa ating mga nag-participate na students. On to our next slide. So the DOST STII is dedicated to gender and development initiatives, and as part of our commitment, let us all watch this video from the Philippine Commission on Women.
kasi nagtitipid kami.
Kami rin ay para sa kasalukuyan.
Ang mga katutubong Pilipino kaibanan sa pagsiguro kan magkakanigong pag-asenso.
Bilang isang Muslim, ipinagmamalaki ko ang aking pananampalataya. Naniniwala ako na hindi dapat maging hadlang ang magkakaibang paniniwala sa pagsulong ng kaunlaran para sa lahat.
Naniniwala ako na ang mga miyembro ng LGBTQ community ay may kani-kaniyang kakayahan at talentong kapaki-pakinabang sa lipunan. Ang respeto at paggalang sa bawat miyembro ng lipunan, anuman ang kasarian, ay susi tungo sa pantay na oportunidad para sa lahat.
Hindi hadlang ang aking kapansanan upang maging produktibo at makilahok sa gawain pang komunidad.
Ang partisipasyon ng mga taong may kapansanan sa usapin at isyong pambansa ay nakatutulong sa paghubog ng aming sariling kakayahan at sa pagkamit ng lipunang pantay at inklusibo.
Kaming mga kababaihan sa kabukidan ay may dakulang ambag sa komunidad, lalong-lalo na sa pangataman kang kapalibutan asin ang kasiguruhan sa pagkakain. Kung kaya kami nangangapudan sa pantay na pagtratar sa kinukuanan kang natural na yaman asin sa pagtao ng serbisyo sa salod asin kabatiran.
Kaming mga kabataan ay hindi lang para sa kinabukasan. Kami rin ay para sa kasalukuyan. Sa pamamagitan ng mga makabagong platforms katulad ng social media, na ipapahayag namin ang aming boses at opinyon tungkol sa mga napapanahong isyu na may epekto sa amin. May karapatan din kami na makilahok sa mga gawaing pangkaularan dahil dito nakasalalay ang aming kinabukasan.
Bilang isang kawani ng gobyerno, tungkulin kong magsilbi ng tapat, parangal at mahusay para sa bayan ko at sa aking mga kapwa Pilipino.
Makikitungo ako ng pantay at makatarungan sa lahat ng lumalapit sa aming tanggapan.
Patuloy kong iaangat ang antas ng paglilingkod at sisikapin kong iparamdam sa mamamayan ang dekalidad ng serbisyo sa bayan.
Kahit anong lahi,
kahit anong relihiyon,
kahit anong katayuan sa buhay,
kahit anong kasarian,
kahit anong pinagmulan,
kahit anong edad,
kahit anong profesyon,
walang dapat maiwan.
Kaya magsama-sama tayong siguruhin ang pantay na karapatan at oportunidad
Para sa lahat.
Kami ang Generation
Equality.
Equality.
So now we would like to request everybody po for a group photo. So naka-enable naman na yung camera, Sir Christian, no? So mag-group photo na lang po tayong lahat. Sir, pwede bang pakibaba yung screen mo? Kasi parang yung ceiling lang po at saka yung ilaw yung nakikita namin.
Pwede po, gawin po namin ito last time. Dito po lahat kami, tapos nandito po yung TV.
Ayan. Better, sir.
Pupuntahin ko po lahat sila sa unahan. Papilamin ko na lang po.
Salamat po, sir.
Ayun. Okay, guys. Arrange yourselves. Hindi group yourselves, arrange yourselves. Picture na.
Okay po. Our MIS tech support po will do the group photo.
Kita lang sila pati yung TV. Okay. Faster. Ayan. Ayers. Hi. Hello. Ayan. Medyo spread na yung sarili nyo. Medyo spread. O, di ba may layers tayo ngayon dito? Mamaya cake na tayo dito. Ayan. Thank you.
So, okay na po, sir. Sir, pwedeng pa...
Okay na? Okay. So, tatapos tayo ng bata. Picture.
Ayan. Sir, patutok na lang yung camera mo, tapos screenshot po dito sa sa Zoom. Yan. Okay.
Ready po.
Okay. Medyo kita na pala.
Sir, okay lang patanggal ng nyo, face mask. Okay lang. Para sumakses ang ating photo op. Ayan, sir. Nakita na namin kayo finally. Alright. Magbibilang po ang ating tech support po, si Sir Mike.
Ready po. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Okay na po, Sir Mike.
Nice. Isa pa po.
Okay po, sir. Isa pa po, Sir Christian. Isa pa raw po.
1.
Sir, opo. Isa pa raw po, Sir Christian.
Okay naman, pwede na po to. Okay. Send
Okay
na
po.
lang po. Thank you po.
Okay. Thank you so much, Sir Mike. Thank you so much po, Sir Christian and our students. Again, may we remind po everyone that we are providing an e-certificate of attendance.
Nakamute kayo, Sir Christian.
Ay, thank you po, ma'am. Kasi namin sa inyo po yung group picture po namin na mas malinaw.
Ay,
I-email
okay
po.
po. Sige po, sir. We'll do the same, sir. Okay? So as a reminder po, Sir Christian, the DOST-STII will provide an e-certificate of attendance to all participants who successfully submitted their accomplished evaluation form. The e-certificate of attendance will be sent to the email address that you have provided in the evaluation form 15 working days after this program. Next slide, please. And for our announcement po, next slide. So the DOST-STII Library has temporarily ceased operation, which started March 5, 2025 to give way for the comprehensive inventory of its collection. The reopening date is to be announced upon completion of the inventory work. That's why we ask you to follow our Facebook pages, our social media pages, para po sa updated information. And apologies for the temporary closure as we work to serve you better. But the physical library po ay temporarily closed, but our online services such as material request po is still available. Okay? Next slide. Next slide, sir. So please answer this evaluation form form by typing in the link to your browser or by scanning the QR code, and you will be given 5 minutes po to answer the evaluation form. So, ito na po yung ating evaluation link para po makakuha kayo ng e-certificate of attendance. We will give you 5 minutes po to answer. Ayan po, Sir Christian, pwede pong pakipasagot sa ating pong mga students, yun pong evaluation po.
Yes.
Okay po. Meron ba sila, Sir, cellphone dyan or computer po? Okay po. We will give you 5 minutes, sir, to answer po.
Yes, po.
We will give you 5 minutes, sir, to answer the evaluation po. Yes po, or within the day po. Yes, pwedeng, Ma'am Leader, pwede po ba within the day?
Yes, Sir Christian, pwede naman within the day. Sir Christian, pwede naman within the day. Until tomorrow, sir, open namin yung evaluation link. Until 12 noon, sir. Sasend din namin yung link sa email ad nyo po para ma-distribute nyo po sa mga students. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Sir Christian, ulitin ko lang po. Pwede po within the day mag-answer. I-open po ang aming evaluation form link po until tomorrow po para po maka-receive kayo ng e-certificate of attendance. Paalala lang po, marireceive po yung e-certificate of attendance 15 working days po. And dapat po ma-accomplish ang ating evaluation form. Alright? So with that, that's a wrap. A huge thank you to Cotton National High School for letting us bring the online library literacy program from the DOST SCI Library to you. And we hope you learned a thing or two from this online library literacy program. We'd love for you to visit us sometime and explore all the amazing resources we have. And please do visit our website and social media pages for more information. This has been Grace, and alongside me, Ma'am Linder, Ma'am Irene, your librarians at service, as well as our MIS tech support. So thank you so much po and have a good day. Goodbye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Christian. Thank you so much po.